Do with fingers. +4 +45 +50 -44 -5
50
+3 +41 -22 +56 +1. Now answer is
79
+2 +50 +11 -13 +4. Now answer is
54
+14 +55 -13 +43 -9. Now answer is
90
+22 +11 +11 again +55 -44
55
zero position +23 +26 -28 +73 -91. Now answer is
3
do with abacus. +321 +321 -210 +535. Now answer is
646
0 plus 555 +133 +301. Now answer is
989
+898 +898 -578 +669. Now answer is
Can you say the question again?
898 +898 -578 +669. Now answer is
989
multiplication. 83 into 2
166
19 into 3 19 into 3
57
94 into 3
282
64 into 2
128
do with fingers.
Okay.
+6 +2 -2 +3. Now answer is
9
+2 again +2 -3 +1. Now answer is
2
0 position +3 +1 -2 +1. Now answer is
3
Zero position. Plus 4. Minus 3. Plus 3. Minus 1. Answer is
3.
zero position. Plus 6. Minus 5. Plus 1. Minus 2. Answer is
0.
plus 2. Plus 5. Minus 5. Minus 1. Answer is
1.
plus 50. Plus 21. Minus 20. Answer is
15.
plus 50. Plus 21. Minus 20. Answer is
51.
plus 43. Plus 50. Minus 40. No, answer is
53.
plus 40. Plus 5. Plus 54. No, answer is
99.
plus 25. Plus 52. Minus 22.